Today we are going to see what is a matrix, what is an order of a matrix, elements of the matrix. Then in the next video we will see what are types of matrices, different types of matrices. So first of all, let us understand what do you mean by a matrix or what is a matrix. Okay, so first we will write the definition of matrix and then we will understand the definition with the help of example. So what is a matrix? A matrix is a rectangular arrangement. Matrix is a rectangular arrangement of m into n numbers. Okay, m into n numbers written in m rows and n columns. So it is arrangement of numbers. What is a matrix? Matrix is an arrangement of numbers. How many numbers will be there in the arrangement? M into n, where there should be m rows and n columns enclosed inside a bracket. Enclosed in brackets. So such arrangement or such rectangular arrangement having m rows and n columns is called a matrix of order m by n. So arrangement such arrangement is called a matrix of order m by n, written as so we write this as m cross n, and we read it as m by n. So if you have arrangement of numbers having m rows and n columns enclosed inside a bracket, you will be calling that arrangement as a matrix of order m cross n. And the numbers which form the matrix, the numbers which form the matrix, the numbers which form the matrix are called elements of the matrix, are called elements of the matrix. So the numbers inside the matrix are called elements of the matrix. The matrix are denoted by capital letters. The matrix is a singular, matrices is plural. So matrices are denoted by capital letters, A, B, C, etc. And the elements of the matrices. The elements of the matrices, if we don't know the elements, then we denote the elements by small letters. Okay, are denoted by small letters. For example, suppose I am writing a matrix which has only one row and two columns. Okay, so let me denote that matrix by capital letter A, and it has one row and two columns. So I will be having only one line like this, one row. So let me write any numbers inside that row. So let us write 2, then here 5. Okay, because it has two columns, so you can see that this matrix is having two columns. One column is this, other column is this, and it is having only one row. Okay, so what is our matrix? Our matrix is 1 by 2 matrix. What is the order of this matrix? 1 cross 2, 1 row and 2 column. One more example, let us see. Let me write a matrix with 2 rows and 3 columns, or 3 rows and 2 columns. Okay, so let us write a matrix which has 3 rows, 1 2 3, and 2 columns. So let me write 1 4 8 11 0 2. Okay, and let us denote this matrix by the capital letter B. So this matrix is having 2 columns and how many rows? 3 rows. So what is order of this matrix? The order of the matrix is 3 cross 2, or 3 by 2. Okay, 3 rows and 2 columns. So now let us see how do we write a matrix in a compact notation. So notation for elements and matrix. So a matrix capital A. Okay, I will write it as bold because I have written it here. A matrix A of order m cross n, of order m by n, matrix A of order m by n is written as, so usually we write a matrix of order m by n as, we write it as capital A is equal to, this notation of bracket is for matrix enclosed inside the bracket, and the elements of the matrix is denoted by the symbol aij. Okay, where what is the order of the matrix? M cross n. Now what is the meaning of this aij? Here I runs from 1 to m. Okay, there are m rows, so I goes from 1 2 3 up to m, whatever the number m is, and j varies from 1 2 3 up to whatever the number n is. Okay, so for example, if I want to write a matrix of order 3 by 2 or 2 by 3, let us say 2 rows and 3 columns in this notation. So a matrix of order, 2 cross 3, 2 by 3 can be written as, so how we will write a matrix of order 2 by 3, 2 rows and 3 columns. So first row means I is equal to 1, and first column, that is j is equal to 1. So what will be the first element of this matrix? A11. Then in the first row, what will be the second element? A12, first row, second column. Then third element A13, first row, third column. Then in the second row, what will be the first element? Second row, first column, A21, A22, A23. Okay, so this is a matrix of order 2 by 3. It is not necessary to write the order below the matrix like this, but for your explanation, for your understanding, I am writing here how many rows are there: 2 rows and 3 columns. Now suppose I want to write a matrix of order 3 by 3, 3 rows and 3 columns. So matrix of order 3 cross 3 can be written as, matrix of order 3 cross 3 can be written as, so let us denote such matrix by capital letter B. You can write any, you can denote the matrix by any capital letter. So let me denote it by B. So what will be the first element of the matrix? A11, first row, first column, first row, second column, A12, A13. This is general form of a matrix. Then second row, first column, A21, A22, A23. Okay, as there are only 3 columns and 3 rows, so third row will be A31, A32, A33. So this is the notation of a matrix having 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay, so in the next video, we are going to see the types of matrices, different types of matrices.